Hey there! Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see the part 2 of how to replace the word very. When a car is very fast, then it's swift. Very slow, it is sluggish. When the weather is very rainy, then it is pouring. When she is very shy, then she's timid. If it's very small, then it's petite. When a person is very stupid, then the person is idiotic. If the food is tasty, then it's delicious. When something is very tiny, then it's minuscule. Very warm, it's hot. When he is wet, then he is soaked. When she is very tired, then she's exhausted. If it's very often, then it's frequently. When a person is very upset, then the person is perplexed. If the dog is skinny, then it's skeletal. When someplace is very crowded, then it's bustling. Very deep, it's profound. When things are detailed, then they are meticulous. When he is very funny, then he's hilarious. If it's very hard to find, then it's rare. When something is very necessary, then it is essential. And if the man is nice, then he's kind. And that's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want English lessons e-books, send us a message. That's all for now.